Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to all of you for today's session. Friends, just let me know whether you people can hear me. Can you hear me? You can reply in the chat box over here, or you can open your mic as well. Can you hear me well? All right. So just I'll be waiting for 5 minutes more because there are more students. They are going to join for the first time today to an online class. Okay. So then I'll start the lecture. Just 5 minutes more. Yes, students, I'm just going to start the lecture within 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Okay, just 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you for your patience. Yes, students. Now, audit and assurance. This subject is quite different than the other subjects of level 2 of ACCA. What this subject is about, let us try to understand it. Students, audit and assurance paper, this utilizes the knowledge of your previous knowledge, F3, financial accounting, fundamentals of financial accounting. That knowledge is utilized here. And audit and assurance, to some extent, utilize that knowledge. Now, subject, I am telling you, this subject is quite different from other subjects. How? What is the aim of the paper? What is the aim? Your examiner says that the aim of the subject is the objective is for the student to understand the process of assurance and its application. So basically, it is quite practical subject. It is just like the doctors, when they study different subject of medicine, surgery, memorization of the topics is not important only. Rather, they must be able to apply. Similarly, audit. The first thing is the knowledge. The knowledge, conceptual knowledge is required. But once conceptual knowledge you have attained, things will not end here. The next step is application. You must be able to apply to real scenarios and suggest things accordingly. Yes. So this is the purpose. This is the aim. The process of assurance engagement. Now, so that's why when I say what are the capabilities required to pass the paper? Capabilities. So the first is conceptual knowledge is required. First thing. The second thing is must be able to. Yes, the second thing is practice. Means application of knowledge to scenarios. And third, 1, 2, and third, must be able to draft answer as per examiner requirements. Yes, must be able to draft answer as per examiner requirements. If you are not able to draft answer as per examiner requirement, you will not pass the paper. Normally, the students who prepare only this, they get marks in 30s. 31, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38. Those who prepare these both, they get marks in 40s. It means in order to pass the paper, this is the next step. So means these are base foundations. The first step, second step, and third step. If you do not prepare all these three aspects, you don't expect a pass. Normally students come to me and I keep asking them, keep telling them that answer drafting is very much important. But they don't pay heed. And you know that what they do? They think that I am reading the scenario, I know the answer. They don't write, they don't practice. They don't try to identify their mistakes. Then what happens? Unfortunate thing. When students come to me, I tell them one thing, that there is one difference, might be other as well. But what I know that varies huge. That is, I focus, I emphasize. If you do not do this, don't expect a pass. You have prepared BP. Students come. I have prepared the BPP book, Kaplan. I have solved the both kits. Still I fail. I say you have not solved the kits the way it should be solved. You do not focus this. This is very important thing to be focused on. I hope you're getting me, what I'm trying to communicate. So audit and assurance, that's why it is not something to be done overnight. Because it has multiple areas of the syllabus which are conceptual and where examiner has very detailed requirements that how answer should be drafted. Let us proceed toward the syllabus. Student, the syllabus of F8, audit and assurance, it can be categorized into two parts, two sections. The one is audit cycle or audit process. Audit cycle or audit process. First thing. And it is 80 to 85 mark of paper. It is tested for that. Now, audit cycle or audit process. It starts with the acceptance of audit, a small section, audit planning, and risk assessment. Then is internal controls and test of controls. The next is substantive test. And then is review and audit report. Yes, this is the audit process, audit cycle as well, and other areas. When we talk about other areas, so other areas Now, other areas include the first topic, assurance engagement, regulatory environment for audit, third, the third one is codes of ethics, corporate. These are small areas. All the number of areas are more, but they're small. Even in one lecture, it is covered total. Okay. Codes of ethics may be covered 1.5 lecture. Corporate governance, internal audit, and audit of NPOs, non-profit organizations. Weighted, these are small topics. They are huge. It is bigger area. Now, that's why it accounts for 15 to 20 marks of the paper. This section. Now, students, have you noted it down? Should I proceed further? Tell me, please. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Now, students, this section, planning and risk assessment, this accounts for, in your paper, 20 to 25 marks. This accounts for 20 to 25 marks. This accounts for up to 30 marks. It is mandatory 3 areas, mandatory to be tested in every paper. Now, your exam pattern, your exam pattern is section A and section B. Section A contains objective test questions, 3 scenarios with 5 questions each, means 10 marks, 2 marks each question, total 15 questions. Next, section B. Section B is 30 marks. It is 70 marks. 15 questions total. And question number 16 Question number 17, question 18. Question 6 is 30-mark question. Multiple parts, covering many areas, scenarios, 20 marks and 20 marks. Total 70. Now, I'll proceed further. This is how your paper is. Students, how I proceed with the syllabus. We will start the first step, these two topics. Then we will proceed with the acceptance of audit and overview of the whole audit process. Then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, and then these areas, seventh. This is how we will proceed. Now, this is how the syllabus will proceed. And you may have seen in the post in which we have advertised that our session is a hybrid model. Have you seen that? Tell me, everyone. Have you seen that? This hybrid model. 2% responded. What about others? Good. Good. So hybrid model means that I will not be conducting a live class every week. I will be conducting a live class most probably every 3 weeks. Yes. And what will happen? For example, during this week, we will start uploading the videos on our portal in which explanation of topics is done. And so first of all, explanation of topics will be done. You will stay connected with me via WhatsApp. If you face any problem, you can drop a text message. You can drop a voice note. I will respond in the voice note. And their explanation of topics, videos, and some practice questions as well from exam kit. Plus notes and exam kit will also be provided to you, soft form. You will have 3 weeks and they will be in a certain order. You will go through those videos, watch the lecture, practice with the class videos, and then I will have one live session with you. That will be around 2.5 to 3 hours. The same time we are having. In that session, I will be discussing the key points of the topics. And I will be giving you an assignment. And in the live session, I will be discussing your issues, where you are doing mistakes, how the answer should be drafted. Means the live troubleshoot session it will be. And the first session we will have, one, you will watch, two, it will be regarding internal control. The first live session will be about this technical area after 2 to 3 weeks. And I will give you the schedule for that. Okay, we will have our WhatsApp group as well of the class, in which you can drop a text. You can send me individually as well. I'll be responding your questions. Yes. And you will be watching the lectures if there are issues, etc. Any questions so far? Yes. Any question so far? No question at all. Let me arrange a virtual tour of the class. You people used our portal today, right, to access the class. And the portal looks like this. Here it is in front of you people. You came here, you see here, you clicked here and joined the live class, right? Video lectures, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 will be uploaded here. Okay, and the first 3 lectures will be free, meaning you can watch yourself for free by clicking here. Then they'll be locked. Then you will pay, and then we will grant you access. You will then sign in, and then you can join, watch those remaining lectures. Okay, so it will be like that. It will be like that. So every week the lectures will be uploaded here, video lectures here. Just like you click this, you will click there and video will be played in front of you people. You got my point, everyone? All right. So students, my notes and the exam kits link will also appear here below. Okay. So it will be like that. So today was just introductory lecture. I didn't introduce myself. Name, you know, Hamzah Siddiq. I have been teaching ACCA since last 13 years now. And online, it's our 3rd year of online coaching. And first time we are offering live classes for September. Before we offer for the June and the December only. First time. Because majority students, and from the Mauritius itself, we have taught more than 3,000 students in last 3 years. Okay, so, and they are studying with us. We have multiple prize winners from Mauritius as well. Now, so any question from your side? Please feel free to ask. Good. So students, I have introduced you the syllabus as well. Tomorrow, we will upload here. We will upload here the video link of assurance engagement as well as regulatory environment for audit, which you can click and watch the lecture. And volume 1 will also be uploaded. Simply, you will come to the page, click there and you can watch. Okay, students? That's it for today. It was introductory session only. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. If there is any question, please tell me. Otherwise, we will simply off the session. Yes, you have my WhatsApp number, everyone. You can drop over there your messages. If you feel any, this is my WhatsApp number. Here you go. If there are any question, you can drop there. All right, students, tomorrow it will be uploaded and we will send you an email confirmation that lecture 1 has been uploaded. Then you can click on that and you can watch it. All right, take care. Goodbye. Goodbye.